Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation. I'm here with an African storybook from africanstorybook.org. Just searching for isiZulu and clicking this button over here, reading level number 1, and we'll do Amazinyo. So this is video number 2 in Learn Zulu, the Learn Zulu Everyday series. So just little bits every day to learn some Zulu with. So Amazinyo, which means teeth. Okay, Amazinyo. So Ingwenya le, Ingwenya. Yabona Ingwenya. Crocodile. Inamazinyo. It has teeth amakhulu, which are big. Okay, Ingwenya inamazinyo amakhulu. Does a crocodile have small teeth? Ingwenya inamazinyo amancane? Cha. No. Ingwenya, a crocodile, inamazinyo, it has teeth amakhulu. Ibubesi, I'll just simplify this. Ibubesi, linamazinyo, a lion, it has teeth amakhulu. Ibubesi, it has teeth, linamazinyo amancane? Cha. Ibubesi, linamazinyo amakhulu. Inkomo, a cow, inamazinyo, it has teeth. It has teeth. I'll just leave it there. A cow has teeth. Inkomo inamazinyo. Ingwenya inamazinyo. Notice there's an I here and an I there. So a cow and crocodile. The it basically is the same. It's an I because the beginning of Inkomo and Ingwenya is an I-N. To say it for I-N words, you say I. Because izinyoni, birds, azinawo amazinyo. Birds don't have teeth. Do birds have teeth? Izinyoni zinawo amazinyo. Cha, no. Izinyoni, birds, azinawo amazinyo. Amagundane, igundan, a mouse or rat. Amagundane, mice or rats. Anamazinyo, they have teeth. Amakhulu, big teeth, angaphambili, in the front. Oshaka, banamazinyo. Sharks they have teeth acijile, which are sharp. Ngangi, I, past tense, had. Nganginamazinyo amaningi. I had many teeth. Kodwa manje, but now, angisenawo. I don't have them anymore. Cool. Thank you very much. Well done. Please like and subscribe and tune in tomorrow for episode number 3. Salani kahle.